any of our 5 fans out there that have been watching our videos saw the paint job that we did on Ryan's sewer. And when I say we, I really mean Dave, because Dave did all the work and me and Ryan kind of just sat there at McDonald's. Anyway, we did quite a good flake job on Ryan's car, especially the bonnet. We went nuts on, so that's what we're going to do on this and on the engine bay. So stay tuned, and then you're going to see it going from this to this. Alright guys, welcome back to the Unlimited Super YouTube channel. So as you can see, the paint spray is back operational because we're going to paint my bonnet and we're going to paint the engine bay with the FC. So random things, got a blown engine underneath there, so those of you who don't know, I blew up my engine in Mondello. Got a few good laps, so 100% worth it. We've got the base coat of black down. Now it's a bit dirty because it's just the bonnet, so I don't really care about it. Likewise with the engine bay. So it's black anyway, no more red anywhere. So this is the Stay Gold paint huffer. That's the flake we're going to use, so just waiting for the black to tack off and then I'll mix this up and we'll shoot some gold. As you can see there, it says warning, do not huff this flake. I'll try to remember that. So let's see, that's the flake there. Should be quite tidy. None. So this is the quick rundown of what actually happened. So first coat was base coat, so that was turning from red FC to black FC. One heavy coat of flake, probably should have done several coats of lighter flake, but it's an engine base, so I'm not really that fussed if I get the best of finishes. And then so flake, 2 coats of clear on top, and what do you think? Pretty jazzy. So it's not the best job, but again, it's just the engine bay. I think it'll look really good in the light. Now I just need to jazz up the actual engine when it gets back in, so it doesn't look like an absolute eyesore. So Big Dave's coming around later. He's going to pick up some hats. I haven't told him that I've done the flake job yet. He knows I'm planning to do it this weekend. So when he comes up to pick up the hats, we'll see what he thinks about the flake job.
Let me see. I'm going here. Holy! Whoa! See? Look at the bonnet now. See?
Just suck the gut in. It should be dry. Like, come on in, Jonah. Tie up.
Whoa! Look at that. Did you paint this today?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Still probably a bit tacky in some places. Like, what do you think, Ollie?
Good.
Yeah. Here, you scooch past with your dad. Scooch over there.
That's the job. Holy sh. That's class.
Ollie, will we do your dad's car like that after?
Yeah, the mad gold flake. Painting it's going to be a lot of effort, I can be bothered.
And then what do you think of the paint? What do you think? What colour is it?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good job, I like that. It look mad like with the bonnet up, you know, whenever you see it outside, you know, whenever it's in here you sort of lose the effect, you know, nearly it's darker. Once you see it like actually have sunlight on or something, be like, whoa.
That's a lot more glitter than I thought.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that all the heavier stuff just then? Just the one type?
Yeah, that's just paint huffer.
Yeah, sweet.
I ended up, I put 2.
Paint huffer stuff is good though, like, isn't
Yeah.
it? Like, the
Real good
light
quality.
hits it really is light, isn't it?
So I ended up putting 2 scoops and then I actually dropped the paint.
It's just like you.
So I had to mix up a second batch and mix it in, so it ended up being like 4 scoops.
Yes.
So that's why
And it's sprayed on okay and all?
sprayed on, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it looks good. Yeah. No, it looks a job, man. You've done sweet. 100. Minter. It's actually like reasonably smooth too. Like, you know, it's not really like, you know, really flat. You know, sometimes you do it and it's really flat because of the flakes so heavy. Unreal. It's gonna look nuts. Then you put your big flipping turd of an engine.
I know, that's gonna be so bad. That actually has more horsepower than my engine.
It's gonna be a Hoovercraft. More horsepower in the Hoover. Alright, flip. Good job. What about the booth? What did it go up like again?
No problem.
Yeah.
Literally, like I did it by myself one evening.
Sweet.
Yeah. 100%.
Was the roof and all still up? Or do you put, was the roof and all still in?
Yeah, I just left
Yeah.
the roof. Just took the side, that wall, that rolls up, and that rolls up.
Happy day. That was good. And then the fact you can do it yourself shows that, like, you know, it was actually a half decent job. But then it was making it semi-permanent. Holy shit, that is friggin'
Yeah.
looking, isn't it?
So I'll do well, won't it? Ryan will be regretting not painting his.
Oh, not going to gold?
Yeah. Or no, not painting his bay.
Oh, I flip. I know.
No Tixies Backsies, Ryan. We're not doing it again.
Took an hour too.
So Dave's bringing his car here. We're gonna get his engine fixed.
Yeah.
And what he doesn't know is
It's
actually
not broke, it's not, I haven't broke it, but I'm just making sure it's, I don't break it next few days to take it out. Yeah, it's more precautionary, because I can't afford to fix it. Can't afford to fix a 1J now if it breaks. Like $5 so, watch your head. Oh.
and this is actually the test. Because when Dave's engine comes, this is exactly what we're gonna do to his bay. But maybe a different colour.
Yeah, you never know, you never know.
So yeah, that was just a quick video of turning my pretty boring engine bay. Red, black, base coat, black to hot boy gold. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. This year, 2022, we're hopefully going to get out to a lot more drift days, a few more builds and stuff like that. But let us know what you want to see. Do you want us to just see pure drift videos? Do you want to see some builds? Let us know. And as always guys, that's us now.